Hello, my name is Luis Miguel Padilla Narvaez, and I am going to tell the anecdote that happened 2 years ago on 2018 when first meet the sea. The opportunity was given sign a below to a Tocancipá brand band and I played trombone. We went to a band concert in Santa Marta. My friends are I are always very close, even to it. We when we go to still in the hotel, we stay in the some room because of the confidence we have. After dinner, we went to beach according to teacher direction. But when we had less than 30 minutes or 40 minutes, the coastal policemen arrived to take us outside. It was not allowing to be on the beach at the time. I was like 10 at time. Uh, After events, we returned to the hotel to get ready to sleep. Since the next day, it's the band constant. When days we get ready to have breakfast and wash out, check out that the uniform is completed um, to be perfect for the presentation and for good on site is kit hub and because our uniform is very covered which cause more heat generate in the body. When we start the part the urine process to rate which makes a very nervous with parent and play songs we were people is very happy is listen to after to party we present the part on the choreography closing we went there we present ourselves the people applause us a lot that day our dinner or 1.0 sorry is 0.1 respect on the other band. That day we were all happy, very happy. The aggregation, Mm, and the next day we went to beach. The sea amazing. It's very relaxing, amazing. It was a lot, but at first it was a strength sign. It usually takes very simple because nothing happens, but the sea is very solid. I was also swimming towards the swimming limit by and when I was returned, I was cruised by an infant banana, which people on board and made they drink water like crazy. And from that moment, I did no swimming. I wanna stay on the shore, cleaning myself with sand. Uh, when we returned to the hotel, made us get ready to go to eat, and we all have to bring something white and ten and surprise offer was going in Chiva Rumbera, which it's very strange. It was on the have incredible trip when we go to the beach. There I was parando vallenata in all white in the was incredible other in the same my cell phone was damaged. And that is now the day I meet the sit end. Thank you.